Okay, a very good morning, class. As we have completed the explanation of chapter number 10, pronoun and personal pronoun, the definition along with the explanation हम complete कर चुके हैं. Now it's time to move on or look over the exercises what is given in chapter number 10. Chapter number 10 में जो exercises दिया हुआ है, अब हम उस पर ध्यान देंगे कि हमें करना क्या है. Let us see the exercises what is given. So we are on chapter number grammar, chapter number 10, and it's a personal pronoun. Okay, let's complete the exercises. I have written here class ki let's complete the exercises. Today we are going to do the exercises. We are going to complete the exercises. Now, what is given here? The instruction. Look at the instruction. It is written here. What is the instruction? It's that rewrite the sentences by using personal pronoun. The sentences which is given in the exercises we have to rewrite. जो वाक्य exercises में दिया हुआ है उसे हमें दोबारा लिखना है. Rewrite by using personal pronoun. Personal pronoun का प्रयोग करके हमें उसे change करना है. In place of the words given in color, जो भी sentences color में है उसे हमें change करना है किसे? Personal pronoun से. So what is personal pronoun? The first question is that pronoun used for persons are called personal pronoun. वे pronoun जो persons के लिए व्यक्तियों के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है उसे personal pronoun कहते हैं. This was our definition. ये हमारा definition था. What is personal? Come back to class. Okay, class. Yeah, we are on the process of completing the exercises. What is given here? Sentences में जो भी words color यानी दूसरे color से यानी colored है red color से लिखा हुआ है उसे हमें change करना है by using personal pronoun. So what is personal pronoun? We have already discussed in the class, 2 days class, that what is personal pronoun. Pronoun used for persons are called पर्सनल प्रोनाउन या वे प्रोनाउन जो पर्सन्स के लिए व्यक्तियों के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है उसे हम पर्सनल प्रोनाउन कहते हैं. पर्सनल प्रोनाउन आर ऑफ 3 टाइप्स, दैट इज फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन. नाउ स्ट्रेट अवे लेट अस मूव ऑन टू द क्लासेस, टू द एक्सरसाइजेस. What is the instruction? हमें करना क्या है? Look at the board. What we have to do? Rewrite the sentences by using personal pronouns in place of the words given in color. Now look at the first question, students. It is written here. Look at the first question. It's written that Dr. Ramesh, DR stands for doctor. Dr. Ramesh is a smart man. Dr. Ramesh is a smart man. Full stop. Dr. Ramesh lives. Dr. Ramesh lives in. Dr. Ramesh lives in my neighborhood. In my neighborhood. Now, students, name of a person is a third person. किसी व्यक्ति का नाम थर्ड पर्सन है, ही सी इट. नाउ उसमें हमें पर्सनल प्रोनाउन यूज करना है. नाउ लेट मी अंडरलाइन द कलर्ड वर्ड्स. ये वर्ड कलर किया हुआ है एक्सरसाइज में. अब हमें इसे चेंज करना है और इसके जगह इन प्लेस ऑफ डॉक्टर रमेश we have to use personal pronoun. Now look at the board, students. The answer here it's that Dr. Ramesh is a smart man. Dr. Ramesh is a smart man. Full stop. In place of Dr. Ramesh, we have to use a personal pronoun. Now, who will tell me the answer? Who will tell me the answer? Yes, Vardhan, unmute it.
They live in my neighborhood.
What?
They
What?
live in my neighborhood.
Huh?
They live.
They.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, they नहीं होगा बेटा. Look carefully. Dr. Ramesh. In place of a Dr. Ramesh, हम यहाँ क्या यूज करेंगे?
My neighborhood.
Okay, mute it. Now let us next question. Arushi Bharti. Look at the board and tell me the answer. Arushi Bharti. Yeah, what we are going to use here. What we are going to use? Dr. Ramesh is a smart man. Dr. Ramesh lives in my neighborhood. हमें इसे replace करना है with personal pronoun. हम क्या use करेंगे यहाँ पे?
Said they.
They. No, wrong answer. It's a wrong answer. Now, yes, Anshika, sing unmuted.
Sir, he.
He, very good. He is masculine gender. ये मास्कुलिन जेंडर है, मेल जेंडर है, तो मेल के लिए हम क्या यूज कर रहे थे, सब्जेक्ट में यहाँ पे he lives in my neighborhood. He lives in my neighborhood.
Neighborhood.
Good. Yes, I hope it is clear, students. Clear, everybody? Mute it.
Yes,
Anshika,
sir.
mute it. Mute kar lo. Everybody clear? This is the first question. Now let us see the second question. So before, let me erase all. Students, let me erase the board. Now let us see one by one all these sentences. Okay, students. Now what we are going to do, instruction आपको पता है कि हमें करना क्या है. We have to rewrite the sentences using personal pronoun, and we have to change the sentences, the word which are written in color. Now this is the second question. It is written here that Vinod is a sports person. Vinod is a sports person. I want to meet. I want to meet Vinod. I want to meet Vinod. Now it is in objective case. बेटा यहाँ subject होता है और ये last में object है. ये हमें change करना है Vinod. This is the word. Now what will be the answer? Now let us see the number third one. Look at the third question, students. Rekha is a good singer. Rekha is a good singer. Full stop. Rekha takes part in cultural programs. What we are going to change here, this is the colored word, we have to change it. Now look at the next question, that is question number 4. Rakhi is a housewife. Rakhi is a housewife. Full stop. Rakhi cooks. Rakhi cooks delicious food. Now in this sentence the colored word is Rakhi. Okay, we have to change this. Now students, now look at the board. Now let us try to rewrite the sentence. Now who will help me? I will ask this question to Priyanshu. Priyanshu, unmute it. Priyanshu, unmute it. Now look at the board, Priyanshu, unmute it. Yes, Priyanshu, look here, you have to rewrite this sentence. इस sentence को दोबारा लिखना है और यहाँ पे जो word underline किया है इसे हमें personal pronoun से change करना है. Now come on, help me. Priyanshu, can you hear me? Priyanshu, help me. Anshika Upadhyay, unmute it. Unmute it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Anshika. Now tell me the answer. Vinod is a sports person. Come on, change it. हमें rewrite करना है और change करना है. Vinod is a sports person. Full stop. I want to meet
Vinod के पास meet personal pronoun.
Yes, tell me. Vinod is a sport person. I want to meet.
They, sir, they.
Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Now who will tell the answer? Now let me ask Ujjwal Kharwar. Yes, Ujjwal Kharwar, unmute and tell me the answer. Vinod is a sport person. I want to meet. Sorry, next. Trisha Gupta, unmute it. Trisha Gupta, unmute it. Okay, Nitish Chauhan, unmuted. Nitish Chauhan, unmute it and tell me the answer. Vinod is a sports person. I want to meet Nitish Chauhan, unmute. Nitish Chauhan, yes, tell me the answer. Vinod is a sports person. I want to meet. Yes. Yeah, tell me the answer. I can hear you. मैं सुन पा रहा हूँ. आप बताइए. हाँ. Arohi Singh. Arohi Singh, unmute. Okay, students, now look at mute it. Mute. Meet him. Yes. I want to meet him. H-I-M. I want to meet him. Full stop. Okay, now mute it. Nitish Chauhan. Nitish Chauhan, mute kar lo beta. Mute it, everybody. Now next question goes to Avni Singh. Karthik Patel, unmute. Karthik Patel, unmuted. Yes, now look at the board. Rekha is a good singer. Rekha takes part in cultural programs. Now you have to replace Rekha. Rekha को हमें pronoun से replace करना है. Come on, tell me the answer. Rekha.
Rekha is a good singer.
Rekha is a good singer. Yes. Full stop. Again. She. Yes. मास्कुलिन फेमिनाइन जेंडर के लिए हम सी यूज करते हैं. ये सब्जेक्ट के स्थान पे तो हमने यहाँ पे शी यूज किया. ऑब्जेक्ट के स्थान पे होता तो हम हर यूज करते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स लुक हियर. यहाँ पे हमने ही अगर यहाँ चेंज करना होता तो हमें ही यूज करते. ही वांट टू मीट हिम. ही का और ही इज सब्जेक्टिव केस एंड हिम इज ऑब्जेक्टिव केस. शी टेक्स पार्ट. She takes part in cultural programs. In cultural programs.
सर वहाँ पे मीट
Yes,
को
this is the answer.
सर वहाँ पे मीट को मील लिखे हैं. सर मीट को मील लिखे हैं. सर आप मीट को मील लिखे हैं. सर ऊपर. Sir, your voice is not clear. Sir, voice नहीं आ रही.
अब आ रही है बेटा आवाज. Can you hear me now?
Yes. Sir, अब आ रही है.
Yes, बताओ. What you were saying?
Sir,
Second question. हाँ. Yes, tell me.
सर वहाँ पे मीट को मील लिखे हैं. सर मीट को मील लिखे हैं.
मीट ही है बेटा. वो मीट है ये ना. This one ना मीट है. Yes. Now next question. Look here. Rakhi is a housewife. Rakhi cooks delicious food. Now who is going to answer it? Now who will answer this? Now let me ask this question. बेटा आप लोग अपने से म्यूट कर लो ताकि मैं दूसरे से क्वेश्चन अराइज कर सकूं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट हु इज नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वैष्णवी unmuted. Vaishnavi Singh unmuted. Question number 4. Rakhi is a housewife. Rakhi cooks delicious food. This is the colored word. इसे आपको चेंज करना है. Now change it.
She cooks delicious food.
Rakhi is a housewife. Rakhi is a housewife. Full stop. Now we have to replace this noun with a pronoun.
She cooks delicious food.
She cooks. Very good. She cooks delicious food. Food. Okay, fine. Thank you. Clear, everybody. Show me your thumb if it is clear. students of my class, if it is clear, show me your thumb. Come on, everybody, show me your thumb if it is clear. Fine. Now I'm going to erase the board. Now let us see the next question. That is question number 5 and question number 6. Mute it. Vaishnavi Singh, mute kar lo. After answering the question, don't mute kar lo. Mute it. Every day I used to say, after answering the question, आप तुरंत mute कर लो. आप आंसर बताने के बाद unmute मत रहना. Please mute it. Don't try to disturb the class. Now let us see the next question. That is question number 5. Look here. Question number 5. Kavita and Anita. Kavita and Anita are sisters. Are sisters. I met Kavita and Anita yesterday. This is question number 5. You have to change here. The colored words are Kavita and Anita. इसे हमें change करना है. Now let us see number 6. Archana is the daughter. Archana is the daughter of Mr. Amit. Archana wants to meet Mr. Amit. Students, look at the board. This and this. जो वर्ड मैंने अंडरलाइन किया है उन्हें हमें चेंज करना है. किससे? पर्सनल प्रोनाउन से. Now look here. Kavita and Anita are sisters. I met Kavita and Anita yesterday. Now who is going to help me out with this question? Pushpender Singh, unmuted. Pushpender Singh Chauhan, unmuted. Pushpender Singh, can you hear me? No answer. No answer. I am not getting any response. Satyam Singh, unmuted. Satyam Singh, can you hear me? No answer. Now who will answer to me? Yes. Yes, Vardhan. Yes, Vardhan, unmuted. Yes, look at the questions. What are the words underlined? ये words underline किया है. Kavita and Anita. Now change it. बेटा इसको change करना है personal pronoun से. Kavita and Anita are sister. I met. Plural के लिए हम क्या use कर रहे थे? Kavita and Anita are sisters. I met them. I met them yesterday. I met them yesterday. Is it right or wrong? सही है? Yes, clear everybody? I met them yesterday. Now muted. Yes, Vardhan. Now look at the last question. Look at the last question, students. Mute karo. Archana is the daughter. Archana is the daughter of Mr. Amit. Of Mr. Amit. Full stop. She wants to meet him. She wants to meet him. Look here, students. यहाँ पे आंसर मैंने लिख दिया. अर्चना के बदले मैंने she यूज किया और मिस्टर अमित के बदले मैंने यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्टिव केस पे क्या यूज किया यहाँ पे? him. These are the answer. If this ये क्लियर हो गया है, if it is clear, then let us move to next exercise. Clear, students? Personal pronoun यूज कर रहे हैं. Show me your thumb if it is clear. Students, show me your thumb. Please try to complete the exercises at home. Whenever I send you the exercises, try to practice at home. आप घर पे प्रैक्टिस करते तो ये क्वेश्चन आराम से आप कर चुके होते. Okay, now let us move on, students. Let us move on to next exercise. That is exercise number B. That is exercise number B. Exercise number B. What is the instruction given? Instruction हमें करना क्या है? What we are going to do in exercise number B? The instruction is that write the correct form of pronouns write the correct form of pronouns in the following sentences. In following sentences. Students, look here. The instruction given here is that write the correct form of pronouns in the following. Okay, now let me write down the questions. Question number 1, it is that we hit many sixes as dash, and the option is given that they, comma, them. We have to choose the answer from the bracket. Now let us see the second question. Deepak and dash were present at the party, and the option here is that I and me. Okay, now let us see the third question. He is as good होगा बेटा, यहाँ पे प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक है. He is as good as dash, and the option here given is I and me. Now look at the fourth question. Nobody but dash was late, and the option given here is he and him. Look at the fifth question. Students. There is not much similarity. There is not much similarity between you and dash. And the option is that I am writing here. Option मैं यहाँ लिख रहा हूँ. The option is she and her. Okay. Now look at next question. Question number 6. Dash is my dog. And the option given here is it, he. Number 7. Tinu, mark of exclamation, dash are a lazy dog, and the option given here is that I and you. Look at the last question. Where shall I write? Shall I write here? No. Last question. One more question is there, students. I will write. Let me write later on. I will write later on. First of all, now look at the board, students here. These are the questions we have to fill up. Write the correct form of pronouns in the following sentence. And where are the pronouns? The pronouns are given here in the bracket. You can see option. Two options are given here in the bracket. We have to fill up this pronoun in the blanks here, given here. Now look at the board. Look at the first question. We hit many sixes as. We hit many sixes as. Who is going to answer me? निर्भय अनम्यूट इट. निर्भय अनम्यूट करिए. ऑप्शन आ रहा है, अनम्यूट करो. Okay, he is not responding. Next, Anshika Singh. Look at the board.
Yes, sir.
We hit many sixes as option is they, them.
As them.
Yes,
As them.
as them. No बेटा. as के बाद हमेशा हम सब्जेक्ट यूज करते हैं. them कभी भी स्टार्टिंग के सब्जेक्ट क्या होता है? सब्जेक्ट हमेशा सेंटेंस से पहले, सेंटेंस के स्टार्टिंग में आता है. दे हिट, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? सब्जेक्टिव केस आएगा. एस दे, उन्होंने जैसा किया, यानी सब्जेक्ट ने जैसा
They.
किया. एस दे. ओके
They.
ओके.
Yes.
तो याद रखना, एस के बाद कभी भी हम क्या यूज करेंगे? सब्जेक्टिव केस
They.
यूज करेंगे. आप लोगों ने शायद ये पढ़ा नहीं, मैंने ये सेंड किया था. लुक हियर, ग्रीन कलर में ऑब्जेक्ट रहेगा तो क्या यूज करेंगे, सब्जेक्ट रहेगा तो क्या यूज करेंगे, सारा इस टेबल में है. ओके एवरीबॉडी, टुडे लुक, प्लीज रीड दिस टेबल. आई हैव सेंड यू, मैंने सेंड किया है. ओके नाउ म्यूट इट. अंशिका, ओके फाइन. नाउ वैष्णवी सिंह, वैष्णवी अनम्यूट
Yes,
करो
sir.
बेटा. लुक एट नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दीपक एंड डैश वर प्रेजेंट एट द पार्टी. ऑप्शन इज
I.
आई एंड मी. आई, वेरी
I.
गुड. आई, हाँ मैंने, यस, लुक हियर, हाँ वी हैव यूज्ड हियर आई. आई क्यों यूज किया आप देख लो. व्हाट इज सब्जेक्ट हियर? दीपक एंड आई, ये दोनों सब्जेक्ट है. तो ये सब्जेक्टिव केस था, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे आई यूज किया. अगर यही ब्लैंक यहाँ पे होता लास्ट कहीं पे, तो हम ऑब्जेक्टिव केस यूज करते मी. क्लियर? क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? यस.
Yes.
ओके फाइन. ओके फाइन. नाउ लेट अस आरोही, आरोही सिंह अनम्यूटेड. Look at the next question.
Yes,
He
sir.
is as good as. He is as good as. Option is I and me.
Sir, me.
No, sorry. मी नहीं होगा बेटा. मैंने अभी आपको बताया as अगर लगा हो, as लगा है तो हम हमेशा सब्जेक्टिव केस यूज करेंगे. तो क्या होगा? He is as good as I am होता है ना यहाँ पे. Yes, तो I am नहीं लिखते हम, क्या लिखेंगे? He is as good as I. Understand? सब as रहेगा तो हम हमेशा सब्जेक्टिव केस यूज करेंगे. ओके
Okay, sir.
okay
Okay,
fine.
sir.
Muted.
Yeah.
Now next, Trisha Gupta unmuted. Trisha Gupta unmuted and look at the question number 4. Nobody but dash was led. Okay, I think he is not able to unmute. Now who will answer this question? Anshika Upadhyay, please unmute it. Anshika Upadhyay, unmute it and look at the next question.
Yes, sir.
Nobody
But-
but dash was led. He
Nobody
or him.
but him was
But-
late.
But him, no. यहाँ पे आप
Sir,
subjective use करोगे अगर.
he. Sir,
Yes,
he.
Okay, he was led. Fine, mute कर लो. Now next question goes to Arushi Bharti unmuted. Arushi Bharti unmuted. Arushi Bharti, can you hear me? Unmuted.
No.
बेटा क्लास में हो तो
Yes,
क्लास
sir.
पे ध्यान दो. Yes, I will remove you. मैं यहाँ से
Yes,
आपको
sir.
कर दूंगा. Now look here. Look at the next question. There is not much similarity between you and dash. The option is she and her.
Sir, हर
यहाँ पे
होगा.
she और her क्या होगा बेटा यहाँ पे?
Sir, हर होगा.
Very good. Her.
हर
Yes.
होगा.
Yes,
Sir,
sir. Very
her.
good. Next question goes to Yasvardhan. Unmute it. Dash is my dog. What?
It
The
is my
option
dog.
is eat and. Yes, very good. It is my dog. It is my dog. Yes. Now mute it. Mute it.
I am a dog lazy.
Next question goes to Piyush Giri. Piyush Giri, unmute it. Yes. Look at the
Yes,
board.
sir.
Beta. Tinu dash are a lazy dog. I are a lazy dog or you are a lazy dog? क्या यूज करेंगे हम?
You.
Tell you. Very good. Tinu, you are a lazy dog. Okay. यहाँ पे mark of exclamation लगा है. Now look at the last question. Mute कर लो. Piyush Giri, mute कर लो. Mute it. Mute it. Now look at the last question of exercise number B. Students, look at the last questions of exercise number B. Look at the last questions of exercise number B. That is question number 8. It's written that Rinky and Dash are best friends. Are best friends. Now look at the board, students. The option here given is I and her. What will be the right answer? What will be the right answer here, students? Let me ask to Sandeep Kumar. Can you hear me, Sandeep Kumar? Sandeep Kumar, unmute kar lo beta. Tell me the answer, Sandeep Kumar. I
Yes,
think
sir.
Sandeep is not able. Yes, Sandeep. Tell me the answer. Rinky and Dash are best friends, and the personal pronouns are I and her. इन दोनों में से हम क्या यूज करेंगे?
सर हर
नो, हर नहीं आएगा बेटा. हर ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है. देखो, एक सेंटेंस में स्टार्टिंग में सब्जेक्ट होता है और ऑब्जेक्ट लास्ट में होता है. समझ में आ रहा है? ऑब्जेक्ट हमारा
Yes.
हमेशा लास्ट में होता है. तो आई क्या है? सब्जेक्ट है. तो ये स्टार्टिंग में आ रहा है रिंकू और मैं. रिंकू एंड आई आर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. तो ये आपका यहाँ से यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? ये सब्जेक्ट है. तो इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? सब्जेक्टिव केस कहते हैं. इट्स अ सब्जेक्टिव केस. ओके. और जो ऑब्जेक्टिव केस होता है वो सेंटेंस के लास्ट में हम यूज करते हैं आफ्टर द वर्ब. ओके. तो स्टूडेंट्स, बहुत लोगों ने जो चार्ट दिया हुआ है फॉर्म्स ऑफ पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस का, ये नहीं पढ़ा है, इसीलिए आपको ये प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं. ओके. देयर इज वन मोर. एक और एक्सरसाइज बचा हुआ है एंड वी विल डू इट टुमारो. हम कल करेंगे उससे. वी विल ट्राई टू कंप्लीट इट टुमारो. टिल देन स्टूडेंट्स, let me unmute you.